How to find auto sign in settings on Samsung internet browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find auto sign in settings on Samsung internet browser. First, then open the browser and then click these three lines here in the bottom corner and click settings. Here you will find this one, personal browsing data. Click on it and then just click this one, usernames and passwords. And here you will find auto sign in. Here you can manage it. You can turn it off or on and go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.